Yeah.
Well, that was basically it. So whenever you have crooked judges that exclude evidence, what do we do to hold those judges accountable?
Well, we elect judges in Texas, so you got to feed them at the ballot box.
Well,
Some of them are Republican judges.
yeah, I mean, there has to be
It is what it is.
accountable for being an office. If a judge breaks the law, they shouldn't have a meeting.
We have a framework in place where, and it's not perfect, and I know the issue that you guys care about, and I care about it too, and we've got to work on this issue specifically in the family court context, but we allow the people of Texas to select judges, to elect judges that are not only, that represent their value set, but that are experienced and equipped, and a lot of times that just doesn't happen. Not every judge in Texas is like Judge Nowak, and that's a problem. We've got some really bad judges in Texas, and they need to be beat, and Republicans and Democrats. But also realize that in 2018, in one election in 2018, we lost, don't quote me on this exact number, but I'm going to get close. In one election, we lost 730 years of judicial experience in one election, statewide, because of one guy, and that's Beto O'Rourke. The voters of Texas didn't pay attention to the down ballot races at all. Millions of people went out and voted for Beto and then voted straight ticket Democrat down ballot. And we had a lot of very good judges, including some Democrat judges in some areas that got knocked out. And so voters have got to be more educated. We got to share the message and get people to the polls.
Well, I don't think that when we elect them to have a license to break the law. We elect them to uphold the law.
But you can appeal. When you disagree with the judge's ruling, you can appeal.
Goes nowhere.
Yeah, we know that that's...
It's
They
a
provide
charade.
no oversight.
Well,
The system is completely broken. And we need audio and video in these courtrooms as well.
do you agree with audio video in courtrooms?
Absolutely not.
Why?
Why?
We've already discussed that before, but I'll say it again. There's one record, is the court reporter's record, and there's a reason why there's one record. It's so that it doesn't get spliced, it doesn't get broadcast, it doesn't get sent out for various reasons that people like to manipulate everybody else. So the idea that that occurs is why the reason why we have one record. At this point in time, it is court reporters, and they do it because they correct it, they listen to it, they do the things that they're supposed to do. So that's the way it is.
My records of the transcripts do not reflect
I've
the
seen tons of errors in transcripts. There needs to be something to hold them accountable as well. If
Well,
you have audio and video in the courtroom,
You can sit here and debate it. I'm telling you, I disagree with your assessment. I disagree with what your position is. I would never support it. And having been a prosecutor, having been a defense attorney, and now having been a judge, I will 100% never agree to say that the best method is to have audio and video in courtrooms. And we did. We did for a while during COVID.
Yeah.
We broadcast our stuff online, and people manipulated that, and then people took it and did things that they shouldn't have with it, and it was very hard for us to
police
keep it.
officers wear cameras.
Not all of them do, and a lot of them are not going to that anymore. The Air Force, for instance, where I'm a major in the Air Force, an officer in the Air Force, they used to have body cams. They decided it was not worth it, and they didn't do it. So it's just, I get there's differences of opinion on it. I have my position on it, and those things exist.